What? Oh.
Order cancel.
What's it at?
Bro, it's not letting me buy
Yo,
here on
it's not
interactive.
yeah,
Oh,
it's
there it
not letting me
goes.
buy.
What the hell?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was weird as hell.
Yeah, I tried that too.
It's still not letting me buy.
Yeah,
Mine went through like randomly after, so be careful, Frankie.
Yeah, I'm not taking any entry here, guys. I missed my
I'm
entry.
taking 450. Yeah, I'm waiting, guys. It's too late for me now.
TOS is doing the same thing, apparently.
But it's not POS. Oh shit, it's moving.
Yo, the 450.
Why is it stuck, Frankie?
The 455s have
Brother, I
more
wish I could
volume.
tell you.
Are the 450s tight spread anyway?
Yeah, but the 450's volume is more.
For what? I have 445 and 450. What happened?
These contracts on TOS
Yo,
look
yeah, he just said it didn't fill the order, but it says he used his buying power.
Yeah, same for me.
Oh wait. I gotta canceled by trader. I don't know what's going on with that. Alright, so we're not in a rush, guys. Like I said, we caught a nice little banger Monday. Let's just wait a second.
No, this is also, yeah, my VP's gone too.
Wait, relax. Let's see if this edits, guys. Let's see if we fix it. Wait, Amazon's at 131. Mm-hmm. It's another $1. Actually? Whoa. Oh, alright. We might still get Tesla. Yo, someone said it filled in a minute later, so...
That's how mine did too.
It did that for me, too.
I got
What?
4.
What? On interactive?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wait, but I canceled immediately. You think I'm good?
Yeah, you're good.
I canceled, too, and...
I don't have anything filled right now, though.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, alright.
I'm saying, just look up for it. Because mine did that to me.
Yo, that's actually crazy. It's because people got... Nobody showed up to the stock exchange today. They got a little too hectic last night, I guess.
The spread on Netflix is just crazy, bro, on the stock.
God. Nah, I'm good.
I will be doing the 455 if this comes up, though.
Pain is pain.
Yo, yeah, Nor, the 455s have way more volume, Nor.
455s?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did I get an alert for? Oh, it's
Netflix.
moving. We trying this? Where are we trying this?
No, I'm not doing this. The contracts aren't even filling.
I'm in, so I'm playing it, but
Yeah. It's like, oh, yo.
Wait, on my way to the next. No, I cancel right away. I cancel right away.
bro, these contracts are moving, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Are you up?
Yeah, I'm up like 6% right now.
Alright, so what are we doing? Can we come to a convicted or a decision right now?
Bro, the contract.
You can try and signal. I mean, I'm not sure if everyone.
Yo, the spread on the contracts is buck wild, bro.
Order partial.
I just
I'm gonna
got-
try.
Order filled.
No!
What in the world, dude? That was the weirdest play of my life. I just cashed out on that, bro. What the hell? $6 a contract?